This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam related to the website Sopid.live. So some customers may suddenly see these pretty strange pop-ups by Sopid.live website. Sopid.live is definitely a deceptive site that may unexpectedly attack Google Chrome and other browsers. Sopid.live tries to scare users into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. So if you see these pop-ups by Sopid.live, be very careful, don't trust them and don't interact with them. The only correct conclusion is to leave this page. And the point is that such pop-ups could be the consequence of certain adware enabled in your computer. We recommend you to carefully research your system with the help of reliable antivirus, and we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, download the application, install the software, and once it gets installed, start carefully researching your computer in order to identify and eliminate other threats from your device. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.